When placing a stock, be sure you start in Map View first. You know you're in Map View when you see the globe in the Build toolbar. Go over to the stock icon and select once. You can then see that your cursor has become the stock icon, and you can select anywhere in the diagram to place the stock. Again, to place a stock, go up to the Build toolbar, select the stock icon, and select anywhere in the diagram to place a stock. To name the stock, select it again and type in the name you'd like. For the first stock, we're going to call it Population. And the second, Natural Resources.